Hello friends, welcome to Mr. Ranjima channel. Today I am going to make voltage regulator power supply. Make sure you hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel to never miss any update whenever I upload. So let's begin. First, one is ground, pin number 2 is output and pin number 3 is input. Now solder one wire to the output of the potentiometer. The input and output of the ground will be connected together.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight,
This will be the ground output
chemicals collide. Hold tight,
and this one will be the ground input.
dripping lights paint the skies, all because
So we solder that ground to the ground of the potentiometer.
dripping lights paint the skies. Only you can make me move. You can make me move.
We connect output of the potentiometer to the pin number 1. or supply only 12 volt as I have. You can supply up to 30 volt if you have.
So alive, make it last forever.
This is my 12 volt adapter. I use it in my home theater. If you want to buy, I will put the link in the description.
Chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you.
Now the circuit is complete, only few connections is left.
Paint the skies, only you can make me.
This is the ground input as I told above, and this one as ground output. Now I'll connect my 12 volt adapter male plug to the ground input as I told above, and this one is the VCC input, which is an audio jack. And this one as output.
Every time you two are getting rough, my mind just sounds like Shia LaBeouf.
Now let's check my 12 volt adapter whether it gives 12 volt or above through my multimeter.
Every time I see him with you, my heart sounds like Shia LaBeouf too.
It gives 13 volt output. It gives 16 volt on the multimeter, but it's not accurate. It gives 13 volt. Now I'll connect my ground input to the male plug. Outer is the negative one and inner is the positive one. It's just like a DC socket. I don't have, so I made myself. Now connecting output of the circuit to the multimeter. It will give 1 volt to 12 volt output. Please notice the multimeter screen. It will increase from 1 volt to 12 volt when I rotate the potentiometer. Its ampere is not stable, so no expect of charging our phone, even if we put in 5 volt also. This is my battery level indicator I made last few years. It's very simple. You will need only 5 LED and 5 resistor. The resistor value is 1K, and about the LED you can use 3mm LED, and I suggest not to use red LED because red LED consumes too much power, so better use white or green or any other but not red. Connecting the output of the circuit to the input of the battery level indicator. Among 5 LED, the lowest LED will increase up to the end depending on the supplying voltage. Let's connect with multimeter and check at which volt the LED is glowing. As you can see, first LED gives 3 volts, second LED gives 5 volts, third LED gives 7 volts, fourth LED gives 9 volts, and fifth LED gives 12 volts. And you can add more resistor and LED if you want to supply up to 30 volts. The voltage drops 1 volt when I connect with my battery level indicator, so it depends on the load we supply from the voltage regulator power supply. Now let's put all the components inside the box. I have made some hole and switch before. I didn't show the components putting inside the box because it's taking too much time, so I skipped the part. So let me explain what I put inside the box. The circuit is same, I didn't make any change. Let me explain from the beginning what I made. The male plug will plug into the circuit box like this, but let me explain what I made to that thing. And this is my radio which is in working process, and this too is the male plug which is almost same, and the thing I made in the box is same with the female socket in the radio which is putting like that. The inner one is the BCC, which is the audio jack I put, and the outer layer is the input ground where I made, and the wire I'm holding is connected to the outer layer. The BCC 12 volt will be gone through pin number 3 by my audio jack, through here to the pin number 3. Second, the BCC output which I connect here. As you can see, the red wire I'm pointing, this is the BCC output. And I connect 220 ohm resistor between pin number 1 and 2. As you can see inside, next I connect one wire from pin number 1 to the 10K potentiometer. As you can see, the wire I'm holding is from pin number 1 to the output of the 10K potentiometer. As it's too dark, so the wire is coming from here and here, and to the wire I'm holding to the output of the 10K potentiometer. And the ground output is here, is connected to the ground of the potentiometer. As you can see, the wire I'm touching, and the ground input is connected to the one wire I'm holding. It's connected with one switch. This we can turn it on and off. It passes through one wire. It's connected to the ground of the 10K potentiometer. The battery level indicator is connected to the output of the circuit. You can replace with voltmeter if you want. Let's close the box and test. Let's test. This is the 5-volt motor from the DVD drive. You can supply up to 9 volt, but this motor can run freely up to 5 volt. And if I increase up to 9 volt, it's making some creepy sound, and it can run freely up to 5 volt. I got this motor from scratch. Let me check if this is working or not. It's taking more current than the supplying voltage. It may be worked by battery, not by power supply. And this is the radio I mentioned above. This can be powered by DC 3 volt. Let's check by power supply, not by battery. Let's put the power supply in the 3 volt. It's working but not tuning properly. I put the low volume so you can't hear the voice. And this is my 12 volt DC fan, which I use for cooling my phone when I play heavy games. This can be powered by 3 volt minimum and maximum 12 volt. For daily use, I supply 5 volt from my phone charger. Thanks for watching.